Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to be playing Hour of Code. So I'm gonna pick a game. Okay, so I picked Flappy Bird. So let's see. Attach a block to the when click block, then press 1. Click or tap the screen to move Flappy to the target. And by the way, this is part 1. I'm gonna do a part 2 when I stop at this. Okay, so let me add flap and wing. Okay, so let's see. Yep, I won. Okay, now we've added some ground. Attach a block to the when hit the ground block. Your code needs to end game when Flappy crashes. So let's see. I'm gonna add this old code. I think I'm gonna attach end game over here. Okay, so let's see. And I won. Okay, the when run block allows you to run code when your game starts. Try setting the level speed and flapping to the target. So I think let's add this code over here and then set speed to normal. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, and I won. Okay, let's see. Flappy will fly through obstacles unless you write a code to make him crash. Attach a block to the when hit an obstacle block. Your code needs to end game when Flappy crashes into the first set of pipes. Okay, so let's see. Now let me add this when hit obstacle. Let's see. End game. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, I won again. So sorry guys, but I'm gonna end it here and don't forget to stay tuned for part 2. Goodbye.